How do you feel about your new remodel?
I think it's really nice, but
How was your experience with your installers?
it was only one person, and he did a fabulous job, in and out communicating with us and making sure the area was clean before and after he left.
How was your experience with your project coordinator?
Erickson, very good. He followed up about, when the parts were in and when we're going to have the installer come out.
Would you refer us to a friend or relative?
Definitely, if they ask me about the workmanship and the follow up and all that, I would definitely recommend for them to, give them a consultation. May have them come out and give you an estimate.